Hey guys, Kelly here with PlantX, and today I'm going to share with you my favorite plant-based iced coffee recipe. This recipe is nutritious and it's going to give you your daily dose of caffeine too and be extra refreshing. So the first step with this iced coffee is to add in our liquid. So we're going to add in 1 cup of almond milk. Then we're going to add in 1 cup of ice, 2 shots of espresso, 1 frozen banana. You want to make sure that you do use a frozen banana because it's going to help add the icedness to the iced coffee. 1/4 cup walnuts. This is a great way to get some added omega-3 fatty acids into your diet. We're also going to be adding hemp seeds. Again, this is a good source of protein and a good source of fat. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And then you want to use 1 tablespoon of cacao. So you can use cacao nibs as well. I actually prefer to use cacao nibs. I just didn't have any. And then we're just going to blend it for around 1 minute until it's all nice and smooth. If you like to have sweetener in your coffee, you can add in either 1 tablespoon of maple syrup or you can use 4 fresh dates. Those are great natural sweeteners to put in this plant-based iced coffee. And then we're just gonna go ahead and serve it up. So I like to use stainless steel or glass straw to enjoy it. And you wanna drink it immediately because it is supposed to be cold. So this iced coffee is just a great way to enjoy your coffee with a little bit more added nutrients. It's super refreshing and I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you next week and I hope you guys stay healthy until then.